Before you spend your hard-earned money on natrosa.com, you need to hear this. natrosa.com presents itself as an online fashion retailer, offering casual and seasonal clothing for both men and women, with trendy designs and attractive pricing that can easily grab attention. At first glance, the website layout looks clean and modern, giving the impression of a legitimate e-commerce store. However, once everything was carefully checked and verified, several concerning details came to light. Many of the product images displayed on the site appear to be copied from other websites rather than being original photos. There are no verified, real-life product images that confirm the items actually exist in their inventory. In addition to that, the physical address listed on the website seems to match addresses used by other unrelated online stores, which raises questions about authenticity and transparency. The contact information provided is also questionable, with limited ways to reach the company and no strong evidence of responsive customer support. While the site promotes fashionable clothing at appealing prices, the lack of originality in product photos and the uncertainty surrounding business details make it difficult to fully trust the platform. That doesn't automatically prove it's a scam, but it does highlight multiple red flags that shoppers should not ignore. If you are considering ordering from natrosa.com, it would be wise to proceed with caution, verify payment protection options, and avoid spending large amounts on your first purchase. In today's online shopping world, transparency and verified information matter. And when those elements are missing, careful decision-making becomes essential.